Hey everyone! If you're looking to enhance your love life and build stronger connections, I've got some exciting news for you. Today, I want to introduce you to Marriage Menders, a fantastic resource for couples and families seeking to strengthen their relationships. So, what exactly does Marriage Menders offer? They provide a variety of services designed to foster growth and improve communication in your personal and interpersonal life. Imagine attending workshops that help you develop more effective and compassionate ways of expressing yourself. Sounds amazing, right? Communication is key, but what about conflict resolution? Marriage Menders has got you covered with practical strategies for managing disagreements and finding common ground. And for those looking to deepen their bond, they offer intimacy and connection retreats in serene and inspiring settings. These retreats provide a safe space to explore intimacy, enhance communication, and reignite the spark in your relationship. But wait, there's more. Marriage Menders also offers family therapy sessions to tackle the unique challenges that families face. Experienced therapists are dedicated to helping improve communication, resolve conflicts, and build stronger, healthier relationships. They truly believe that every individual and family has the potential for growth and transformation. Got questions or want to know more? The team at Marriage Menders is always available to discuss your unique needs and goals. Your journey towards stronger, more fulfilling relationships starts with a single step. So, why wait? Reach out to Marriage Menders today to learn more about their incredible services and how they can support you on your path to personal and interpersonal growth. Let them help you build strong foundations that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and here's to a happier, healthier love life.